Hi, my name is Ashley Cortez, and I'm going to be talking about characteristics of a defendant. A defendant is someone who is accused of crime, committing crime, which could be from different age, gender, social status, socioeconomic status, and prior crime history, meaning any robbery, theft, sexual assault, abuse, anything like that. And characteristics that may include with that is bad mental health issues, issues, and abuse problems, like dealing with a lot of alcohol or drugs such as meth or any other hard drug, different offenses, and then leading to pros said defendants is standby slash shadowing counsel. Pros said defendants represent themselves in court without a lawyer, which can cause some problems, especially since they can lack knowledge of the court rules and laws when they're representing themselves. Standby counsel is a lawyer that is assisted by the pro defendant when needed without actively representing unless it's requested. Um, it is arranged for them to ensure that the defendant is legal support in if conflict arises. The characteristics of the victim. The victim can vary depending on the relationship they have with the offender, the background, the nature of crime, and then the victim also experiences different emotions such as depression, anxiety, and anger towards the offender, and also psychological issues that can lead to therapy or just mental health issues, and then financial impacts from the victim and the major activities of the victim in court progress. The victim engages in many activities, including reporting the crime, participating in the investigation, any questions that might be coming up, and then attending the court processings, and then distinction between the law in action, and the law in the books often highlight how the victim experienced injustice, and then intimate partner violence and police and courts. The intimate partner violence IPV is involves the physical, emotional, psychological warmth between the partner. The police often have protocols with these types of incidents. The victim may face um, such as fear and lack of trust with the law enforcement. The victim witness access programs. The programs involves different types of support towards the victim and witnesses through legal process. So that could be, crisis help, support, emotional support, assisting with navigating through this process, especially since this is a hard time. The goal is to ensure that the victims are feeling safe during this time and feeling supported, especially because they might feel alone or anything like that, especially since there's a lot of different emotions going on. And then the victim impact statement. These victims allow victims to share how the crime has affected them and how their lives have changed. And then also during the sentencing and then parole hearing, they provide the court with their personal insights and potential influence on the outcome of the sentencing and highlighting the human impact on crime. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.